Hello people and welcome back to On Dashcam channel. Today we prepared a really cool episode full of crazy moments caught on driver's dashcam. And we'll start today's episode off with a heated road rage with an insurance scammer who tried to take some easy money out of the camera, but it didn't go quite as he planned it.
The Democrat, shocker, but there are a host of representatives, too many for me to name. So I will link it down below. I don't see an R next to any names. So, shocker, these are the people who are anti-gun anyway, probably. But take note, because there were a lot of Democrats that ran. So, I'm pro 2A.
Hey, what are you doing driving me off the road, man?
I was changing lanes, you cut in front of me!
In that lane, you drove me.
Bullshit! Bullshit! You!
Cops are everywhere.
Good! Let's get him, because I got it on camera!
Good.
Good!
Because
Call him! You know what? I'll call him! The number that's good, because a lot of them, they're just been reused. But they're out there.
I'll check.
What year are you looking for?
31.
Oh yeah. That'll be a little harder than 55, I think.
Maybe.
But you see, oh, this guy. Oh, look out, everybody.
Semi-truck drivers are supposed to be the ones we look up to in traffic because they are professionals, but sometimes we have the ones who set a really bad example, like this one here, who nearly pulled out onto the road without checking. There's definitely no place for such rude behavior on the road that this truck driver displayed. Check out what he did and make sure to write me your opinion down in the comments about this one. Inexperienced semi-truck driver caused an accident at a parking lot as he was reversing. Fortunately enough, the damage was not that much of a big deal, but still, the damage has been done. It looks like the driver who ran a red light was a bit sleepy behind his wheels and he hit the camera, and instead of stopping, he simply moved on.
An emergency call will be placed to 911. Press the cancel button.
A quick backstory about this police chase. The police spiked the driver's tires and he crashed somewhere in Sunnyvale, Texas. The driver ran into the woods and the police managed to catch him the next morning.
They're wrong. You have a jury of your peers and a judge where we can work it out. You say yes.
The driver that was right next to the camera didn't bother checking his mirrors as he changed lanes. He thought that by indicating he had a full right to change lanes like that.
Reverse yourself up and give him a call. Good luck, Kirsten. Here we go.
Thank you. It's ringing.
Yes, it is.
Driving on wet and slippery roads is always dangerous, and therefore you should always adjust your speed limit accordingly to them. In this video, you can clearly see that the Dodge Charger missed his turn. He tried to take the next one, and by that, he hit another vehicle.
Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin.
2200 ਬੋਰੀਆਂ ਲਵਾ ਕੇ ਵੀ ਉਹ ਕੇਸ ਤੋਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਚ ਸਕਿਆ, ਉਹ ਵੀ ਫਸ ਗਿਆ ਬੱਚੇ। ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਘੱਟ ਬੋਰੀਆਂ ਨਿਕਲੀਆਂ ਉਹ 10,716 ਸ਼ਾਇਦ ਨਿਕਲੀਆਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਨੇੜੇ ਤੇੜੇ। ਛਾਪਾ ਪਿਆ, ਗੋਦਾਮ ਚੈੱਕ ਹੋਏ, ਕਈ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਨਿਕਲੀਆਂ। ਉੱਥੇ ਗੋਦਾਮਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੋਰੀਆਂ ਘੱਟ ਨਿਕਲੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਬੋਰੀਆਂ ਲੱਗੀਆਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਚੋਂ ਕਿਸੇ 'ਚ 5 ਕਿਲੋ, ਕਿਸੇ 'ਚ 10 ਕਿਲੋ।
Truck driver thought that he was all tough as he ran a red light at the intersection and right in front of a police officer, but little did he know that he is about to get pulled over. And with this clip, we conclude yet another amazing episode on On Dashcam channel. I hope you guys managed to enjoy and pick up a valuable thing or two based from all the mistakes you saw in today's episode. If you really support this type of content, make sure to leave a like, because that would help us out a lot and motivate us to put out more content for you guys. While you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content. Until the next one, drive safe and keep your eyes wide open.